Hello, welcome to another Physio Life Skills video. My name is Justin Scriven. I'm a physiotherapist here in Fordingbridge. Today, this video is all about your hands, particularly if you've noticed that you're starting to get a bit of stiffness within them, whether you've started to have a bit of difficulty taking the lids off jars. It's really common to get this as we age, but don't worry, there are simple things that you can do to try and improve your hand stiffness. And today, I'm going to show you what those are. So if you're ready to learn this movement sequence, then here we go. This is a great, easy sequence. It involves lots of movements of the hand that's going to incorporate all of them in one easy kind of flow that you can do. So you can do this maybe at breakfast, you can do this maybe when you're watching TV. Regularity, like all these exercises, consistency is the key to success, is where the magic happens. So if you're ready, let's go through these three. The first one that we've got here is going to be a rock. So the rock is quite simply just starting to bring the hand gently down into what we call flexion. So you're flexing all three joints of the fingers and the two in the thumb. You're bringing it down into a loose fist. Okay. So again, bringing them down slowly into a loose fist. Now, obviously, if you're getting some osteoarthritic changes in your knuckles, you're going to find that these are getting a bit thicker. In some of these joints, it's going to be more difficult to do. You won't be able to maybe move your joints through the full range like you used to. So when you're getting just to that feeling of it not wanting to go any further, with your other hand, you can just give them a gentle bit of encouragement. But again, you just want to go into stretching discomfort, really. You don't want to be pushing them aggressively and hard and causing pain. So stretching discomfort, you can give a little pressure. And then we're moving into the second exercise or the second shape, and that is Starfish. Now, Starfish, we want to expand and open the fingers. We want the fingers to spread wide, and we want them to try and reach back. So it's a spreading and opening, really getting these muscles in the hand to feel like they're stretching out. We're getting an extension through the fingers. But again, if this is a problem and this is difficult for you, then by all means use the other hand to give it a little bit of overpressure in order to get that full range. Once we've done the Starfish, then we're going to try and feel like we are bringing the center of the palm back towards us, almost like we're squashing the finger between these two pads of the hand. So we're creating a compression there, keeping the fingers straight, and that's going to create our squid shape. So we're going to go now into a long fingered cupping movement, which is the squid. And you'll feel all sorts of sensations in the deep, what we call the intrinsic or deep muscles of the hand. So there we go. We're going to got those three movements. Now we're going to put them together. Rock, Starfish, Squid. Rock, Starfish, Squid. Initially, just go through it gently to get the brain in tune with what you're doing. Then what I want you to do is just do probably about 3 or 4 second hold on each one. So we're going to go the rock for about 3 seconds, open to Starfish, fingers out wide for 3 seconds, and then cup into your squid for 3 seconds. Work through that maybe 3 or 4 times, and then finish it off with a little bit of a brisker, speedier one, which is just going to go rock, Starfish, Squid. Rock, Starfish, Squid. Rock, Starfish, Squid. Practice this every time you have a meal or just a couple of times in the day. You will notice that your hands start to feel less stiff, they're more agile. It's something that you can use on your own consistently to try and make changes in your hand. And there you have it, 3 simple moves to keep your hands feeling young and flexible. Give them a try, maybe twice a day. Let me know in the comments how they feel after a week. In the next episode, we're going to tackle hand strength. So if you're struggling with grip, you won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos if you want to be updated when the next one comes out in this series. But until then, keep your hands moving.